All right, Pac-Manians, here we are with 11.8. It's the homework page. Of course, it's all the homework because there's only so many problems. Length times width times height. Don't forget, multiply whatever numbers you want in whatever order. Like for here, I might multiply 2 times 4 first. Okay, so pick the numbers you want to multiply first. I might multiply here 5 times 6 to get a 30 and then multiply that by 5. So pick your numbers wisely that you want to multiply. And just remember, you've got the power to pick whichever ones you want. Commutative property and the ability to rotate a cube or rectangular prism all around tells me I can do that. Okay, same thing here. This one, if it's a box in the shape of a cube, remember length times width times height they're all the same numbers. Okay, that's easy. So what is the volume? What is the volume? Length times width times height, right? Pick the numbers you want to multiply first. So like here, 3 times 2, I would do that first. Here, I don't think it's going to matter too much which ones you pick first. You're going to get big numbers. I might go 6 times 4 first just to keep it small. Here, so what type of triangle is shown? So you got to look at the angles. I see a right angle. So what is that, right? And then I see that this is all the sides are different. So it's either going to be equilateral, which means equal, right? All equal. Isosceles, 2 sides are the same length. Scalene, all 3 sides are different, right? Scaly, like a monster. It's all different. Again, this one here, what quadrilateral always has 4 congruent angles? 4 congruent angles, all the angles are the same. Okay? And opposite sides that are congruent and parallel. So it has to be a parallelogram, right? Where all the angles are congruent. So just remember, it's not going to be a rhombus, okay? Except for one special one. This says always. Now, rhombus does not always cover this, but the other 2 shapes do. All right, there's 2 there. Suzanne is 64 inches tall. What is Suzanne's height in feet and inches? Feet are bigger, so I need less. So I'm going to divide, right? And when it says feet and inches, you know you're going to divide because the inches are the remainder. Good. Trevor bought 8 gallons of paint to paint his house. That's all right. He used all but 1 quart. How many quarts of paint did Trevor use? So they're asking you to convert gallons to quarts. Quarts are smaller. How many quarts in a gallon, right? Quarts, like quarters, right? 4. So I'm going to have to, they're smaller, so I need more, so I multiply first. And then if he's going to use some, I'm going to subtract them out, right? He says he uses all but 1. So there's only 1 left, so you subtract, right? So you have 1 left. How many did you take out? So basically it's like, to subtract 1, that's how many he used. All right, that's it. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.